Here's what I made my first year on YouTube. Here's what I made my third year on YouTube. And here's what I made my 6th year on YouTube. Discovering how to make money on YouTube has completely transformed my life. But it's not just me. I've been able to help hundreds of people make money online using YouTube, and many of them without ever showing their face. And I'm going to show you exactly how they do it in this video for absolutely free right now. Step number 1, set your channel up for success. Your channel needs to have a solid foundation, and we make sure it does by using this easy 6-step checklist. 1, choose the right niche. The thing most people wonder about when it comes to YouTube is, what should my channel be about? And here's where most people go wrong. They try to find the perfect topic that has no competition, they soul search for their passion, all the while they could have been laying the foundation to potentially make money on YouTube. So here's what to do instead. Start a channel in a niche that you want to learn about, or start a channel in something that you have experience in. And another thing to think about is, what topic do you always bring up to your friends and family? If you literally can't think of anything, then here are a bunch of profitable niches. Animals, business, cars, celebrities, food, gaming, health, history, life hacks, luxury, psychology, scary stories, science, sports, technology, and travel. And keep watching, because I'm going to reveal more niches and example channels in each of these niches. Number 2, do market research. The next step is to make sure there's actually people who want to watch videos in the niche that you've chosen. And this is super simple. Go to YouTube, search your niche, make sure that videos come up with at least 100,000 views, and if there is, then you're going to be good. 3, choose a name. When it comes to YouTube channel names, you'd be surprised at how little they actually matter. For example, Dream is a channel that makes gaming videos. ViralBee is a dog channel, and Top 15s is a channel that makes scary videos. All of these channels could be about different things just based off their name. The thing that defines these channels is not their name, but it's what they do. So don't overthink it. You don't have to come up with some perfect channel name to succeed on YouTube. 4, start your channel. If you're watching this video, you probably already have a Google account, but if not, just make one. Super simple, and you can make as many channels as you want under a single Google account. For example, I run 9 different YouTube channels. 5, optimize the settings. I've got a free video for you that shows you exactly how to create and optimize your channel and all the best settings, and I'll leave a link to that down in the description. 6, create a logo and channel art. Again, don't overthink this. Your logo and channel art honestly don't matter that much, but make sure that they just look professional. And in all honesty, I usually just hire someone off of Fiverr for $5 to create the logo and channel art. Or if you want to save money and do it yourself, check out my video that shows you exactly how to do it using free tools at the link in the description. Alright, so now that we got through the checklist, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Nice job. Now it's time for step number 2, which is to find the content that people need. If your goal is to make money on YouTube, then the answer to the question, what should I make videos on, is actually pretty simple. In fact, you're probably going to have too many video ideas after I show you this method. It's called the searching and surging technique. I use the searching and surging technique on every single channel that I start, and I know exactly what videos to create on the channel that'll get the most amount of views. To do this technique, we need a list of 33 different video ideas. Why 33? Because that's the average amount of videos that I've noticed in starting new channels until one of them starts to get traction. And even if one doesn't, then at that point we're starting to get enough data. So where do we get this list of video ideas? Well, this is where the searching and surging technique comes in. First, let's talk about the searching side of the equation. So we need 17 different video ideas out of the 33 total that will be based on what people are searching for. Now, how do you find what people are searching for? Simple. We use a tool called vidIQ. Then go to the keyword research section, simply put in your niche, and sort by the best overall score. This will show you the best keywords that are getting the most amount of searches and the least amount of competition. And if you don't want to pay for vidIQ, then you can use a free tool that's not as in-depth like Uber suggests. After writing down your 17 different video ideas from search, now it's time for the surging part of the searching and surging technique. And this consists of finding surging videos that are getting a lot of views. And this is super simple. Go to YouTube, search your niche, and then filter the results by the videos that are getting the most amount of views uploaded in the past month. This will show you videos in your niche that are working right now. So write down your remaining 16 video ideas based off of these popular videos, because if it worked once on YouTube, it's very likely to work again. So remember, the key to the searching and surging technique is you want 50% of your content strategy going to search and the remaining 50% targeting already popular ideas. And if you want even more ways of coming up with unlimited video ideas for your channel, then check out this video right here, which will show you some more free tools to generate thousands of video ideas fast. Now that you've got your list of 33 different video ideas, now it's time to go to step number 3, generate the content. So now it's time to actually get videos made. Now, does that mean you have to actually get in front of a camera and film videos like I'm doing right here? Not necessarily. In fact, on 8 of the 9 different YouTube channels that I run, I don't even show my face on those channels. And I've been able to get over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face. What's the secret? It's something called niche channels. I'm going to show you a bunch of different examples of niche channels and the absolute best niches to do this in later in the video. But for right now, just know that niche channels are channels that simply have a voiceover in the background of the video showing videos that they didn't even make. I'm sure you've seen videos on YouTube like that, such as top 10 videos, fact videos, and story videos. If you want to run channels without showing your face, all you need is a cell phone to record voiceovers, or you can pick up a cheap microphone like the Blue Yeti Nano. If you want to show your face and be a personality, then again, you can simply use your phone to start recording videos. Another option is to get a good cheap camera like a Canon M50, or you can get a Panasonic GH5, which is what I'm recording this video with right now. Regardless of what type of channel that you're going to run, I recommend writing scripts. You can use Google to do research and then Google Docs to write your script. And also a bonus tip to make sure that your script is 100% unique, you can use a website called Copyscape. Now that you've got your video recorded, or your voiceover if you're not going to show your face, now it's time to get your videos made. If you're running a niche channel without showing your face, then I recommend using these resources. You can do slideshows using Google Slides or PowerPoint in the background. You can use free stock footage from websites like pixabay.com or pexels.com. And if you want even more stock clips, then you can consider using a paid service like Storyblocks. And you can potentially use other people's videos from YouTube and do a voiceover on top of those videos, but make sure that you're following the guidelines of fair use. Now, no matter what type of channel that you're running, your videos need to be edited. And no, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on some expensive editing program. Instead, you can use a completely free editor like OpenShot. Also, never pay for music for your videos. Instead, use the YouTube audio library, which provides tons of free music that you can use that's not copyrighted. Step number 4, upload and optimize. You got your first 33 videos done. Congratulations. Now it's time to actually upload them to YouTube. And we need to make sure that we optimize the videos to make sure that we're not just wasting our time and to make sure that they get views. So how often should you upload? You need a content schedule. This is simply a calendar which says how often you upload to your channel. And the most important thing about this schedule is that it's consistent. Always make your schedule less than your production output. That means, for example, if you can make 2 videos a day, then upload only 1 video a day on your channel. If you can make, say, 5 videos a week, then only upload 3 videos a week on your channel. And if you can make 2 or 3 videos a week, then just upload once a week. The key is to be building a backlog of videos so you're producing more than you're posting. When it comes to actually posting, you can upload all of your videos to YouTube at once and then use YouTube's built-in scheduling tool to have them be released on your set schedule. The second part of the equation is making sure that your videos are properly optimized. I recommend vidIQ to find the best keywords to use in your title, description, and tags. Or if you want a free option, then you can use a Chrome plugin called Social Blade to see what tags that your competitors are using and then reuse those keywords in your tags, description, and title. Now that you have your videos uploaded on YouTube, it's time for step number 5, getting traffic. There's so many different ways to get traffic to your YouTube videos. There's Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, forums, email, Google SEO, blogs, YouTube itself. But here's what I recommend. Choose just one traffic source and go all in on it. My personal favorite method is by using YouTube itself to give you all of the traffic that you could ever want. Here's exactly how to do that. Use the consecutive content technique. This consists of making series of videos about similar things. And all the videos across these series will have similar keywords. This means that you only have to get a little bit of search traffic, and here's where the consecutive content technique works its magic. If you do this right, your own videos will start to appear in the suggested video feed, which is either below your video if you're watching on mobile, or to the right-hand side if you're watching on desktop. Your own videos will start to surface in this feed on other ones of your videos. So most people who just watch one of your YouTube videos will likely watch another, and they go in what I like to call viewer feedback loops, where they watch another one of your videos from the suggested video feed and then another one. This means that you only need a little bit of search traffic to get tons and tons of watch time, because people will go to watch another and another one of your videos, and watch time is part of what YouTube uses to determine if they should put your video in the suggested video feed of already popular videos. And this is how you can absolutely blow up on YouTube. I've had over 70 videos get over 1 million views each with this method, and I've had a handful of videos get over 10 million views each with this method. And I know this sounds complicated, but it's really not. All this really means is that all the videos across your YouTube channel should be about the same thing. Now, if you want to discover how to use the consecutive content technique in depth and how I used it to get a viral video super quickly, then check out the link in the description of this video when you're ready to get traffic to your channel. Before we get to step number 6, make sure to leave a like on this video if you feel like you've gotten value so far. Step 6, monetize and make money. Now, this is my personal favorite step. I mean, it's time to make some money. So at this point, you're probably asking, Matt, how do I actually make money on YouTube? Well, you can get monetized directly on YouTube via something called the YouTube Partner Program, in which YouTube will put ads on your videos, and you'll get paid every single time someone sees an ad on your videos. You need 2 things to get monetized: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, you might be saying, that's going to take so long to get. I mean, 4,000 hours of watch time, that's 240,000 minutes, but it can actually happen quicker than you probably think. I aim to be monetized on new channels that I start in around 1 to 2 months. And I'll link some videos down in the description on exactly how you can get monetized as fast as possible. There's 3 main ways to make money on YouTube. 1 is with YouTube ads in the YouTube Partner Program, 2 is via affiliate marketing, and 3 is with digital products. Let's start with number 1, which is YouTube ads. Once you've done everything correctly, you should be monetized. So the best way to make as much money as you possibly can from YouTube ads is to put multiple ad breaks throughout your video. And the only way that you can do this is by producing videos that are at least 8 minutes long. The best way to do this is to put an ad at the beginning and the end, and every 2 minutes throughout the video. That way you'll make the absolute most amount of money. For example, if you have a 10-minute video, that means that you put an ad at the beginning of the video, at 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, and then an ad at the end of the video. That way you'll have 6 ads instead of just 1 or 2, and you'll make triple the money. Monetization method number 2 is with affiliate marketing. If you want to make more money on YouTube and you don't want to wait to get monetized, with some videos that you produce, depending on your niche and your channel, you can actually put affiliate links in the descriptions of those videos. And where can you find these affiliate products? I recommend digistore24.com, ClickBank, and the Amazon affiliate program. Monetization method number 3 is through digital products. My favorite type of digital products are online courses. And don't worry, you don't have to be a guru to sell online courses. You just need to know a little bit more than somebody else in a given topic. Kajabi, Teachable, and Udemy are all options for selling digital products. The great thing about digital products is that you can make a lot of money per sale because there's no fulfillment costs associated with getting a digital product. The customer buys the product and they get it instantly. The bad thing is that it can take a lot of upfront time to make. If you made it all the way until the end of the video, I actually want to give you my top 6 secrets when it comes to doing this correctly. And honestly, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you haven't already. Secret number 1 is making thumbnails. So in order to make the most amount of money doing this, it's imperative that your videos have good thumbnails. Now you might be saying, Matt, how do I make good thumbnails? I don't have Photoshop. Well, you don't need Photoshop. You can use a completely free editor called Paint.net if you're on Windows, or online softwares like Canva or Snappa if you're on Mac. Most of the top videos on YouTube have either a red circle or a red arrow on the thumbnail, and they have some type of human emotion. So if you can incorporate that, it's going to help a ton. Secret number 2, the A&O technique. A&O stands for analyzing and optimizing, and this is the key to blowing up your channel. Here's how to do it. See what's working on your channel and double down on it, and cut out what's not working. Secret number 3, watch time and audience retention. For a 10-minute video, you should aim to get around a 60% audience retention, meaning that for an average person who watches your video, they watch 6 minutes of your video. And the next thing you want to look at that's super important is secret number 4, click-through rate. This is the percentage of people who click to watch your videos after seeing them on places on YouTube like search results or the suggested video feed. And you want to aim to get at least a 6% click-through rate. And you can use tools like TubeBuddy to split test thumbnails and get the absolute highest click-through rate possible. Secret number 5, scaling and paying other people to make the videos for you. Want to know how I run 9 different YouTube channels? Here's the secret. I pay other people to make the videos for me. Shh, don't tell anyone. To do this, you have to put together a video creation assembly line. Here's how it works. 1, you come up with a title idea. 2, you send that title idea to a scriptwriter who writes a script for the video. I recommend around 1,800 words to make sure that your video is 10 minutes long. 3, the scriptwriter then sends the script to the voiceover artist who does a voiceover for the video. 4, the voiceover artist sends the finished voiceover to a video editor who edits together the video. 5, the thumbnail designer makes a good thumbnail for the video. And finally, 6, you upload and optimize the video. And you might be wondering, Matt, where can I find the best people to hire? I recommend both Upwork and Fiverr. Secret number 6, the best niches and example channels. So now, like I promised you, I'm going to be sharing the best niches that you can do this in and a bunch of different example channels in these niches so that you have a reference that you can go to and see actual examples of channels doing this. Let's start with the animal niche. And a great example of a channel in the animal niche is a channel called Animal Facts, and they simply produce videos talking about different facts about animals and talking about different dog breeds, comparing dog breeds, top 10 lists of dog breeds, and they never even show their face. And then we have the business niche, and a great example of a channel in the business niche is a channel called Business Casual. The next niche is the car niche, and a great example of a channel in the car niche is a channel called Viral Vehicles. For the celebrity niche, we have a channel called Looper. And the next niche is the food niche, producing videos about top 10 lists of different restaurants and food. We have the channel called Babbletop. For the gaming niche, we have a channel that doesn't even play video games themselves, but they compile clips of other people playing video games. They do a voiceover on top of it, and this is a channel called Top 5 Gaming. For the health niche, we have a couple channels, including the channel Bestie and the channel Body Hub. For the history niche, we have a channel called Unknown 5. And the next niche is the life hack niche. And this consists of literally just filming your hands doing life hacks. You don't even necessarily have to show your face. And a great example of a channel in this niche is the channel 5 Minute Crafts. The next niche is the luxury niche, and we have the channels A-Lux and Mr. Luxury. And next up, we have the psychology niche. And a great example of a channel in the psychology niche is a channel called Brainy Dose. And they simply produce videos compiling different stock footage into their video so they don't even have to worry about copyright or anything like that, and they just do a voiceover on top of the video talking about different psychological facts. Now, scary stories are also a great niche on YouTube. They don't even require you to show your face. You can just show stock footage in the background. And a great example channel in the scary story niche is the channel Mr. Nightmare. Now, the science niche is also huge on YouTube, and for an example channel in the science niche, we have the channel Smart Banana. Next up is the sports niche, and we have the channel Nonstop Sports. The next niche is an amazing niche due to the fact that there's so many different advertisers in this niche, and the fact that you could potentially advertise affiliate products, and this is the technology niche. And a great example of a technology channel in this niche is the channel called Tech Zone. And Tech Zone is translated into a bunch of different languages as well. They're not just in English. And next up, we have the travel niche. And guess what? You don't even have to travel to produce videos in this niche. And a great example of a channel doing this without ever showing their face is the channel called Touropia.